Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I'll share the best 4K dash camera, a trustworthy companion that watches over your journeys with stunning clarity, seamless connectivity, and smart safety features. Wherever you're headed, feel protected and in control. Let's get started. Product features: 4K front and 1080p rear, plus expandable 3-channel. Now you can see clearly in every direction. The Z60 captures ultra-crisp 4K up front and 1080p at the rear, plus you can add a 2K camera for a total of 3 views. All angles sync effortlessly through the app, so nothing escapes your notice. Low-power time-lapse parking. Even when your car is parked, the camera stands guard. AOV technology wakes up only when motion is detected, gently capturing time-lapse footage while preserving your battery. It's like having a silent guardian watching, without the worry. Night Viz 2.0 for enhanced night recording. Dark roads don't have to mean fuzzy footage. With AI-powered Night Viz 2.0, your videos stay sharp and bright even in low light. That clarity gives you confidence when you're driving after dusk or reviewing footage the next day. 3-screen plus smart control interface. No more squinting through small buttons. The 3-inch screen and smart control system make it easy to navigate menus and playback footage right from the device. Everything you need is right there, clear, simple, and intuitive. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi video transfer. Reviewing your safety footage shouldn't take forever. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi turbo speeds up transfers, so you can review and save your video within moments. It's smooth, fast, and hassle-free, just how tech should be. Pros: ultra-clear 4K and flexible 3-channel coverage. Battery-saving parking monitoring for peace of mind. AI-enhanced night vision for round-the-clock clarity. Easy control with a crisp, intuitive screen. Fast Wi-Fi transfers for instant viewing. Cons: slightly higher cost, though the added safety is priceless. More features mean a bit more setup, but worth every second. Final thoughts. The DD-Pi Z60 is more than a dash cam. It's your travel guardian, always alert and always ready. With sharp visuals, smart safety modes, and quick access to footage, it's a trusted companion for every road. Wherever you're headed, the Z60 helps you drive with confidence and care. Stay protected, stay confident. Check the price link in the description. And like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more gear that looks out for you on the road.